Welcome to Chickahominy Reservoir Campground near Riley, Oregon. The campground is just off Highway 20, approximately 32 miles west of Burns and 100 miles east of Bend. The campground is located on the southeastern side of the reservoir and offers fantastic sunset views. In 2025, campsites were $16 a night, $8 a night for seniors, and it is all first come, first serve. There's a pay kiosk at the entrance. Drive in, pick a site, and return to pay. The sites are all dry camping, but there is a water spigot centrally located by the fish cleaning station. The sites offer picnic tables, fire rings, and some have shade ramadas. There are plenty of campsites, somewhere in the range of 28 to 35 dedicated campsites, vault toilets, the previously mentioned drinking water, fish cleaning station. There's also a launch ramp and garbage bins. The lake is popular for fishing and kayaking. The lake is man-made and was first stocked with rainbow trout in 1967. The lake has been stocked once or twice a year, most likely depending on water levels. Wildlife in the area, of course, includes water birds, but with a water source, other animals that may be seen are mule deer, coyotes, antelope, squirrels, of course, and rabbits. Being out in the flats, it can get windy. Be prepared for that. And in the summer, be prepared for heat. And in the winter, it could be very cold. Apparently, in December, January, and February, ice fishing is popular. The campground is run by the BLM and has a 14-day stay limit. During our stay, we had some breeze, so no biting bugs, but the water was a little, green, shall I say, so no swimming for our lab. This is a good stop as you travel Highway 20, and we had decent cell service here. If you've enjoyed this look at Chickahominy Reservoir Campground, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and leave us a comment so we know you're here. As always, thanks for watching.